This is not just another self-help guide. It's a revolutionary blueprint to unlock a hidden mental power so profound it's been buried, ignored, and erased from modern education. Why? Because those in control don't want you to know it. This forbidden mind hack can make you smarter than any gifted genius, not just intelligent, but dangerously brilliant. The kind of brilliance that questions everything, sees patterns others miss, and shatters the boundaries of conventional thinking. Ready to unlock this secret? We'll break it down chapter by chapter, revealing step by step how to access this transformative mental framework. This is your chance to rewire your brain and think like the greatest minds in history. Let's begin. The lie about intelligence. You've been deceived about your mind's potential. Have you ever looked at a genius, a chess grandmaster, a mathematical prodigy, or a strategic mastermind, and thought, I could never think like that? A quiet voice whispers, I wasn't born with that gift. This is the greatest lie of modern education. You've been programmed to believe intelligence is fixed. Either you're born with it or you're not. If you weren't gifted from birth, you're destined to lag behind, forever struggling to keep up. But here's the truth they don't want you to know. Genius isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Every hyper-intelligent person you admire didn't get there by luck. They discovered a mental secret, a framework that allows them to absorb information 10 times faster, process complex ideas effortlessly, and see solutions others can't. This forbidden mind hack has existed for centuries, but it's been deliberately removed from modern education. Why? Because it makes you too powerful. Why schools weaken your mind? Ever wonder why school feels like a prison for your brain? It's by design. The education system wasn't built to produce visionaries, rebels, or critical thinkers. It was created to churn out obedient workers who follow rules, memorize facts, and do as they're told without questioning. That's why you were never taught true mental skills. Instead, you were fed a standardized curriculum that rewards compliance over creativity and memorization over real thinking. But geniuses don't learn this way. Einstein ignored traditional schooling and trained himself to think in vivid images. Tesla visualized entire machines in his mind before building them. Da Vinci questioned everything, even truths most people accepted. None of them followed conventional learning methods. They used a different system, a mental operating system that turned their brains into supercomputers. The good news? You can install this same system in your mind. Your brain is already a supercomputer, if you know how to use it. In the next chapter, we'll reveal the exact mind hack that reprograms your brain for lightning-fast learning and genius-level problem-solving. Are you ready? Because everything is about to change. The hidden mind hack that unlocks genius thinking. Your brain is capable of far more than you've been told. Let's be clear. Your mind isn't a static machine running at the same speed forever. It's a biological supercomputer that reprograms itself every second, adapting and evolving based on how you use it. The problem? Most people never upgrade their mental operating system. They stay stuck in rote memorization mode, following orders instead of questioning ideas, learning the same way at 25 as they did at 15. Geniuses, however, operate differently. They use a mental upgrade process that lets them learn faster, see connections others miss, and think in complex layers. The secret? Hypervisual encoding, the hidden operating system of genius minds. The power of hypervisual encoding. Most people think in words, sentences, and lists. Geniuses think in simulations, images, and dynamic systems. Instead of reading a concept, they mentally experience it as if it's happening in real life. Einstein didn't just write equations for relativity. He imagined riding a beam of light and watching time and space warp. Tesla designed machines in his mind, running mental simulations to test them without blueprints. Da Vinci visualized human anatomy in layers, leading to discoveries even doctors couldn't see. They weren't just thinking, they were living inside the idea. Want to train your brain to do the same? Here's how. Step 1. Think in movies, not sentences. When most people learn something new, they treat it like a textbook, reading words, repeating them, trying to memorize. That's why they forget most of what they learn. Geniuses, however, turn every concept into a mental movie. Studying history? Don't just read. Imagine it unfolding before you. Learning a skill? Visualize yourself performing it step by step in vivid detail. Solving a problem? Run a full mental simulation, testing every possible outcome. This technique activates more areas of your brain, making learning faster and deeper. Action. Next time you learn something, pause, close your eyes, and turn it into a high-definition mental movie. Replay it until it feels real. The more you do this, the sharper your thinking becomes. Step 2. Erase boundaries with what-if thinking. Most people think inside the box, accepting facts as they're told, and solving problems the way they were taught. Geniuses erase mental walls and ask, what if everything I've learned is wrong? Einstein asked, what if time isn't fixed? That led to relativity. Tesla asked, what if energy could be wireless? That sparked wireless electricity. Da Vinci asked, what if humans could fly? That inspired his flying machine designs. Action. Every day, pick one topic and challenge it. Ask, what if this is completely wrong? How could it be 100 times better? What's the missing piece no one sees? This rewires your brain to question reality instead of accepting it blindly. Step 3. Train your brain with impossible questions. Your mind grows when it struggles. Easy questions keep your intelligence weak, but geniuses ask impossible questions that force their brains to forge new pathways. How would I solve this with unlimited resources? How would I explain this to a 5-year-old? What would insert genius do in my place? When your brain can't find an immediate answer, it builds new neural connections, boosting creativity and intelligence. Action. Each morning, write one impossible question. Spend 5 minutes thinking about it. Don't worry about the right answer. Just let your mind wrestle with it. Over time, your problem-solving skills will become extraordinary. Step 4. Push your brain into overload mode. Your mind learns fastest under pressure. Processing one perspective at a time keeps you slow, but flooding your brain with conflicting information forces it to evolve rapidly. Read 3 completely different viewpoints on the same topic. Watch videos that contradict each other. Force your brain to reconcile opposing ideas into a new solution. Action. Pick a topic, read 3 wildly different opinions on it, and find a way to combine them into an original idea. This is why geniuses see patterns others miss. Why wasn't this taught in school? Why isn't this mind hack in every classroom? Because if you learned to think this way, you wouldn't need years of traditional education. You'd question outdated systems and think for yourself exactly what the system doesn't want. They need you smart enough to work, but not smart enough to challenge the status quo. But now you know the truth. In the next chapter, we'll take this to the next level with a daily plan to rewire your brain for genius-level thinking. The daily plan to rewire your brain for genius thinking. Genius isn't random. It's a system. Most people think Einstein, Tesla, or Da Vinci were just born gifted. Wrong. Genius isn't luck or genetics. It's a daily process, a trained way of thinking. Today, you'll get the exact daily blueprint to reprogram your brain to operate at a genius level. Follow this system, and your mind will transform in weeks. Step 1. Start your day with a genius question. Your brain is at its peak in the first 30 minutes after waking. Most people waste this time scrolling their phones, consuming useless information. Geniuses, however, ignite their minds with a deep, high-level question. What's one idea that could change my life today? What problem have I been avoiding that I must solve now? If I had no limits, what would I create? Action. As soon as you wake up, ask a complex question. Let it sink into your subconscious. Your brain will unconsciously search for answers all day. Step 2. Think through mental simulations, 15 minutes daily. Geniuses don't just think in words. They think in vivid 3D simulations. That's why Tesla could see machines working in his mind and Einstein thought in images, not equations. Action. Pick a problem or idea. Close your eyes and create a mental movie of it, imagining every detail, motion, colors, outcomes. Replay and tweak it. Start with 15 minutes daily. Soon, you'll visualize solutions before touching pen to paper. Step 3. Train your brain with intelligence sprints, 20 minutes daily. Most people read passively, hoping to retain something. Geniuses force their brains to process massive information quickly and extract insights instantly. Action. Choose a topic to master. Set a 20-minute timer. Read 3 to 5 different perspectives on it, switching between them rapidly. Extract one core idea from each source and explain it aloud as if teaching someone. This trains your brain to connect ideas fast and develop advanced thinking. Step 4. Mental expansion method, 5 minutes daily. Geniuses think bigger than most people, asking questions that push the limits of possibility. Action. Each day, ask, how can I make this 10x better? If I had unlimited resources, what would this look like? How would a genius like Musk or Da Vinci solve this? This forces your brain to break free from ordinary limits and generate extraordinary ideas. Step 5. Destroy mental laziness, 60 seconds daily. The biggest gulf between average minds and genius minds? Geniuses never allow mental weakness. They don't say, I'll do it later or this is too hard. Action. When your mind feels lazy about reading, thinking, or problem solving, say aloud, I do hard things. My mind is built for challenges. Take one small action immediately. This trains your brain to overcome laziness and become a relentless intelligence machine. Step 6. Repeat for 30 days. Commit to these 5 steps daily for 30 days, and your brain will absorb knowledge faster than ever. Spot patterns and connections others miss. Process information at genius speed. Develop a superior thinking style that sets you apart from 99% of people. Most importantly, you'll never see intelligence the same way again. You'll realize genius was never a gift. It was always a way of thinking. Making genius thinking permanent. Your mind is evolving. You're thinking faster, making deeper connections, and processing ideas at a higher level. But there's a catch. Most people discover genius techniques, use them briefly, then slip back into old habits. This isn't a temporary boost. It's a plan to make genius thinking your default state. Step 1. Make thinking a lifestyle, not a task. Most people treat intelligence like a school subject, thinking for a few hours then switching off. For geniuses, thinking is a 24/7 lifestyle. Action. Integrate thinking into daily life. See something? Ask, how does it work? Why is it this way? How could it be better? Stuck in traffic? Analyze the system's flaws and redesign it. Hear an opinion? Question if it's true or just social programming. Soon, your brain will learn constantly without effort. Step 2. Default to deep thinking. Most people think at the shallowest level possible. Geniuses never do. Action. When learning something new, force yourself to go deeper. Don't just ask, what does this mean? Ask, what's the hidden pattern? How does this connect to something unrelated? This turns your brain into a machine for uncovering insights others can't see. Step 3. Program your mind for endless growth. Most people have a fixed mindset. I'm either smart or I'm not. Geniuses believe, I can rewire my brain to any level of intelligence. There's no ceiling. Action. Stop expecting instant results. Adopt a 5-year vision. What will my intelligence look like if I train it daily for 5 years? Set a clear goal. In 5 years, I'll think at a genius level. This mindset rewires your brain for patience and mastery. Step 4. Protect your mind from mental pollution. Your brain is a fortress. Defend it. Most people let mental garbage in all day, mindless scrolling, gossip, shallow conversations, exaggerated news. Geniuses guard their mental space. Action. Eliminate unnecessary distractions. Surround yourself with high-level thinkers. Before consuming information, ask, will this make my mind stronger or weaker? What you feed your brain becomes your brain. The dark side of genius, mastering your power. Intelligence is power, but power without control can lead to self-destruction. Every historical genius faced the consequences of their brilliance. Tesla died alone, obsessed with ideas no one understood. Einstein admitted his intelligence made social life painful. Newton's deep thinking drove him to madness. You're now on the same path. Your mind is evolving. Your ideas are outpacing others, and you see reality differently. But without control, this power could become your downfall. Here's how to balance genius-level thinking with mental stability and real-world success. Step 1. Avoid the lonely genius trap. The smarter you get, the harder it is to connect with others. Most people think shallowly, accept false ideas, and live on autopilot. You might try to wake them up, but most will resist. This can lead to isolation, everyone's too dumb, or arrogance, I'm better than them. Both destroy your ability to use your intelligence effectively. Action. Seek people who challenge your thinking, not just agree with you. Develop strategic communication. Guide others to conclusions simply instead of overwhelming them. Observe people's behavior with curiosity, not judgment. True genius isn't being alone at the top, it's lifting others with you. Step 2. Stop overthinking, start acting. The smarter you get, the more your brain loves to analyze. This is great, until it becomes a curse. Geniuses overthink, analyzing every angle, getting stuck in mental loops, delaying action in pursuit of perfection. Thinking without action is useless. Action. Set a timer for decisions. Give yourself a deadline to analyze, then act. Use the 70% rule. If you're 70% sure of a decision, move forward. Intelligence grows through adaptation, not perfection. Step 3. Stay sane while seeing the truth. The smarter you get, the more you see the world's lies, manipulations, and flaws. The media shapes beliefs, society rewards obedience, and the system keeps people mentally weak on purpose. It's easy to become bitter or detached. Action. Observe reality without letting it consume you. Learn society's rules, but use them strategically. Focus on building solutions, not just criticizing problems. A true genius doesn't just see the truth, they navigate it with strength. Step 4. Prevent mental burnout. Deep thinking burns mental energy. Many brilliant minds exhaust themselves, jumping between ideas without focus, unable to relax. Action. Train mental endurance with deep work sessions. 1 hour focus, 10-minute break. Use physical movement, walking, exercise, to refresh your mind. Meditate on problems instead of forcing solutions. Intelligence grows through stress and recovery. Step 5. Wield your intelligence in the real world. Intelligence is only power if used correctly. Master it, and you'll rise above the system, building influence and success. Lose control, and you'll become isolated, overthinking, and disconnected. Action. Balance thinking with action. Communicate strategically. Protect your mental space. Train your brain like a muscle. Push it, but let it recover. Final warning, your choice. You're at a crossroads. You've seen the map to rewire your brain for genius thinking. But what happens next is up to you. Most people will read this, feel inspired, then do nothing, slipping back into average thinking. But the rare few will apply this knowledge. They'll become a new breed of thinker, seeing the world differently and reaching intelligence levels most can't touch. Who will you be? Because once you start using these methods consistently, you'll never think the same way again.